Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the exact PRD version needing notarization and the change log so the notary can witness scope and date. Bring a government ID and any corporate authorization. This proves signer identity and authority. Once done, decide between in-person or e-notary based on your jurisdiction and client needs, because rules differ and will change the execution flow. Make sure to confirm the notary's credential and fee upfront, so there are no surprises when you proceed. You now execute the signing. Sign the PRD only when the notary instructs you to, and answer any oath or affirmation truthfully. This validates legal effect. The notary will inspect ID, compare signatures, and enter the event in the official journal with time and document description. After witnessing, the notary will affix a seal, fill the certificate block with date and location, and sign. Make sure to review the filled notarial certificate before leaving to catch any errors immediately. Finish by requesting certified copies or a notarization acknowledgement for your records, and immediately scan the notarized PRD with clear metadata: version, date, notary name, and seal image. Once recorded, distribute to stakeholders and store originals securely. Electronic records should be immutable and access controlled. If you spot an error in the certificate or journal entry, contact the notary right away to request a corrective entry or renotarization, because timely correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.